How to turn off voicemail on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can turn off voicemail on Android. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up the phone application, then tap on the three dot icon at the top right and here tap on settings. Once you're on the settings, scroll down and there you have an option as voicemail. Tap on it. Select your preferred SIM card number and here tap on advanced settings. Once you're here, tap on setup, then there you will find your voicemail number set. You have to tap on it and then you can simply delete or clear it, or you can change it as well. You can leave it as a blank, then tap on OK. And here now your voice number or voicemail number is changed and here it says not set. So in this way, you can disable your voicemail number in your Android device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.